Hey there, it's Steve from Serious Keto, and last week when I did my video on Turkish stuffed flatbreads, which I'll link to up here, I did my taste test of it with some tzatziki, which is a Greek or Mediterranean cucumber yogurt sauce. Of course, I got then a number of requests to do a video or recipe on that. It is remarkably easy, and the flavor payoff is great. For this recipe, I will be using Faya full-fat Greek yogurt. The 5% fat. That's what you want to use if you're doing keto. I have also used my Instant Pot to create Greek yogurt using whole milk. And I'm thinking maybe I might want to see if I can make an even more keto version of Greek yogurt by using half and half, or possibly half and half and heavy whipping cream to make yogurt. If that works out, you can expect to see a video on that. But with that out of the way, let's get to making some tzatziki. I want to get about 2 cups of shredded cucumber. I'll figure out what that is in metric and put that right down there as well. Here is my 2 cups of shredded cucumber, and I want to get all of the moisture out of these. You can do this by squeezing it in cheesecloth, or you could use a paint strainer bag, or you can use a nut milk bag, which is what I'm going to use. Now typically I would just do this over the sink, but that would involve me having to reset up my camera and lighting, so I'm just going to do it over this bowl here. Alright, I think that's as good as it's going to get. If anybody's got any good ideas for cucumber juice, let me know down in the comments below. In a bowl, we will mix 1.5 cups, that's 340 grams, of our full-fat Greek yogurt. The juice of half a lemon, that'll probably be about a tablespoon. Then we'll chop up some fresh dill. You're shooting for about 2 tablespoons. Next we have 2 cloves of garlic. This is optional if you don't like garlic. You can really go anywhere from 1 to 3. And you can either finely mince these or run them through a garlic press. ½ teaspoon fine sea salt and 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil. We'll mix this together with the spatula. Then add our cucumber, which we'll also mix in. That is looking good. We're going to give this a little try on one of my keto cracker recipes. This is the panhead cracker. As good as this tastes right now, it's only going to get better after spending a few hours, even overnight, in the fridge. So I encourage you to make this in advance, let it hang out in the fridge, let those flavors really start to merge and kind of come to life. Then after it's had a chance to rest, give it another taste, decide if you would add any additional salt or pepper. So there you go, it is pretty darn easy, and it's pretty darn keto too. Down in the description below, I will include a link to the printable recipe along with all of the macros. But I'll tell you, I calculated this as 8 servings, and those are some pretty generous servings. 2 net grams of carbs, 3 total grams. So if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified whenever I release a new video, tap that bell and select all notifications, then keep your fingers crossed. Finally, if you'd like to help out the Serious Keto channel and the Keto Test Kitchen, click that join button and see what membership options are all about. Thanks for watching.